There's a newly opened electric vehicle showroom here in Cebu. Mao ni ang 14 o atong sudlon kung 14 ninduta ba ang ilang mga units diri. Let's go! As of the moment, they have 3 variants that can run to full EV and full gasoline. Starting from their top-of-the-line variant, the 14 Linga. Grabe ka spacious, and this is their executive van nga variant na ay captain seats, and syempre, grabe ka wide yun nga infotainment. And one of the best feature, Anike, all these 4 seats is equipped with a massage kalame. Wow! Next is the 14 S7. This is their sporty sedan. And this is run by full EV and can run for the full charge for 555 kilometers range. Tanawa, unsa ka wide ang iyang infotainment ug unsa ka limpyo diri sa front nga side. Lastly, they have the 14 Cal, which is their crossover nga variant. Here you have a bit of sporty nga steering wheel and mixture of analog and digital panels. And syempre, keyless, and this can run for 410 kilometers sa iyang full charge. And syempre, naasay sunroof. Wow! You can easily charge all these vehicles using their charger into your home. If you want to check and test ride these units, you can visit their showroom. Naroon sila sa Barangay Batilid, AS Fortuna, Mandawi City.